greatness in the context of healing. What an amazing thing. The greatest thing is the innate being inside each and every single one of us. And every healing opportunity that we have is guided by this innate being that is actually leading and restoring us to wholeness, one bit at a time, lots of bits at a time. And as we arrive at this incredible state of at one. And that is the oneness with all of creation that you are a part of. Every single part of you is part of all the beautiful parts of creation. So through the healing, our inner greatness, inner innate greatness emerges in each and every single one of us. And then that state of at one just continues.